Imagine this, your application is running perfectly inside an OpenShift pod, but when it tries to list a pod, read a config map, or communication with the OpenShift API, it received a forbidden error. The application is running fine, the API server is available. So, what exactly is missing? The answer is OpenShift Service Account. That service account provides the identity. When we use the OpenShift Web Console to run the OC commands, your username account identifies you, but the pod is not a human. It cannot enter your username and password. Still, application, operators, and automation tools sometimes needs to communicate with the OpenShift API. So, how does OpenShift identify them? That is where a service account comes in. Think of a service account as an employee ID card created for an application. It gives the workload identity without exposing a real user's credentials. Every service account belongs to a specific OpenShift object. But identity alone does not provide a permissions. When a pod uses a service account, the OpenShift gives it a secure token. The pod sends this token to the API server. The API server checks the token and identifies the service account. This token is short-lived and automatically renewed. Now, the API server knows who the pod is. Authentication is complete, but can the pod access resources? Not yet. Why the pod not access the resources? Because the service account also need authorization. A cluster role defines allow actions such as get pods, list services, watch deployments, and read config maps. A role binding then connects those permissions to the service accounts. Remember this, service account provides identity, role provides permissions, and role binding connects them. Whenever you create an OpenShift project, OpenShift provides default service accounts. There are three types of service accounts: default, builder, and deployer. For production applications, create a dedicated service account and grant only the permission the application actually needs. So always remember, service account provides identity, token provides RBAC permissions, role binding grants the access. If this video helps you to understand OpenShift service account, like and subscribe the channel.